India, and today I'm going to be talking about the Agaro Handheld Body Massager.
So this is the Agaro Atom Electric Handheld Full Body Massager, which comes with 28 watts power. You will get 3 massage heads and 1 mesh cover with this. This is very compact in design and it provides relaxation and pain relief by deep tissue stimulation, which you can get by vibration and rotation therapy. You get this control knob which is used for switching the device on or off and also to change the vibration levels. You also get this 1.8 meter long power cord. The benefits of using this machine is that it relieves neck pain, waist pain, pain in the arms, leg pain and back pain as well. So you basically get 3 massage heads and 1 mesh cover. The first attachment is this ball massage head, which is useful if you want to use oil and massage, since this ball massage head helps in deeper absorption and to tone the muscles. The second attachment is the flat head massager. You can use this to massage your face, head and abdomen area. And the last attachment has this wavy design which helps to relieve fatigue from your muscles. Whenever you are using any of the massage heads on areas where you have hair, you have to use this protective mesh cover. This will prevent your hair getting tangled in the massage head. So fixing massage heads is very easy. Just take the required massage head and press it on the center area like so. In order to change the massage heads, remove the existing massage head like this and fix another one by pressing it. In order to fix the mesh cover over the massage head, you have to adjust this slot right here with the mesh cover and rotate it to secure it. In order to remove it, you have to rotate it anti-clockwise. To start the machine, you have to rotate the knob clockwise, and then to change the intensity, you can rotate it further. So here, as you guys can see, I'm using the flat massage head and I've also attached the mesh cover on top of it because I wanted to massage my head and also the neck area. Because this flat massage head is really great at removing any sort of stress and fatigue, I really love using this, especially on my neck area and on my shoulders as well. This gives me instant stress relief and also helps me to relax. Next, I am using the ball massage head and using it on my feet and calves to relieve it of pain. This head also provides deep tissue massage and helps to remove fatigue from your arms, legs, calves and abdomen too. So using this massager is indeed really amazing.
So the Agaro Handheld Body Massager is indeed one of the best out there in the market.